Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm again here with you bringing a new tutorial video for you. So let's move. So many of the viewers have commented that how to connect the domain with the blogger, so I'm teaching you in this video. So if you do not have got your free hosting and free domain, then you can visit to the one of the my videos and you can get the free hosting and free domain from this one. So let's move. So for that, I have a free domain from the freenom here, and I have a blog over here, and you can just look over here. This is my blog. Okay, this is my blog. So how can we connect this blog with the domain? So let's move for that. So here are some posted. You can look the post over here. These are the view of this post. Now look, I have got a free domain from the freenom.com. You can get the free domain. We'll move to the my domain option, log into your account over here and go to the my domain section. Now look here, I have a two domain register over here, and this one is active and this one is active. So I'm selecting a tloverofficial.ml as a domain. So just click on the manage domain option. After clicking on the manage domain option, here first thing you have to do is you should keep the name server as a use default name server. If you choose the name server as a custom name server, then you will not able to connect to the blogger. So you have to choose the use default name server over here and just click on the manage free DNS. Now this is the thing where you can add the synonyms records or txt file or anything to your domain. So for that we need to go to the blogger first. So we'll move to the blogger. We'll move to the setting of our blogger. So click in there. So if you want to earn the money from the blogging of the site, then you can check my another video over there. For using the custom domain, we'll scroll down and you'll see over there custom domain. Okay, here it is. You can see that. Just click on the custom domain option. Now you can add the domain over here. So for that, this is my domain. Copy the URL and just paste over here. So your domain should be started from www. You cannot directly add your domain, so there should be full name of your domain, and just click on the save option. After clicking on the save option, now you can look, this will tell you that you haven't added the CNAME records to your domain. To connect your domain, you have to add the CNAME record. So I have told you we are in the adding the CNAME record over here. Just click on the CNAME option and copy the detail from here. So this is the name, www.destination.gr. this is the name. Just copy this full URL, just paste over the name over here. After that, we have to enter two DNS and CNAME record over here. If you need an instruction, then just look over this page. Okay, here you can look the. So if you need a IPS, then you can add from here. In my domain, I do not need these all things over here, so I'm just selecting the CNAME records, destination and name over here. So this is the destination and this is the name. I'm adding this CNAME record. It takes some time. I'm leaving this part. So just add the two CNAME record over here. The CNAME names and recording things are over here. Just click on the more records and just add the two CNAME record over there. So this one is my second CNAME record over here. Just copy this one and just paste over here and select the destination. The destination are same, so I'm copying this one and we are pasting this. So just add the two CNAME record, and these things will take 10 to 24 hours to connect with your domain. So after that, you will be directly connected to your domain. So there will be no worries for connecting your domain with the CNAME record over here, or you can easily connect the blog with your domain. So thanks for watching. If you have any confusion regarding this, then just please contact me through the tlover2054 in Instagram. Next thing is that the DNS management is different in different domains that you got. So I strongly recommend you to use the .com domains from the domain provider. So this thing will help you to connect your blogs to the domain more fast and easier, and you will not have any problem in the future. So thanks for watching. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and if you need any tutorial videos where you are just stuck while doing your work, then just comment in below section.